how many of
Yes,
you here
exactly, Rashmi.
want
With
to
a
be
beautiful smile.
how many of you here want to be a good communicator? Type GC in the chat box. Thank you. And how many of you here want to see yourself a communication skill champion? Type CSC in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you, Jasmine, Farin, Pragyaji. Thank you, everyone. I'm so grateful, and I'm giving the biggest thank you to the entire team and I would like to give a biggest thank you to Keertan sir for giving me this amazing opportunity to share my communication skill journey with you all on this Sunday Success Meetup. It's my pleasure to have you all on this time, and I'm going to share a lot of things today. Hello, everyone. I'm Rashmi. I'm from Odisha. I'm a working professional, yoga trainer, a part-time art of living teacher. I'm a singer. Along with, I wanted to be a good communicator so that I'm here as a Diamond Elite member of CI family. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity once again. So, how many of you here want to know my failure story and my success story? Type yes in the chat box. And without any judgment, type NJ in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this energy because uh, to share all my ups and downs, I need a lot of courage. How many were thinking that, yes, I need a lot of courage to share a lot of things? Yes. So I just wanted to share the secret behind of my communication skill champion journey. So as you can see here, the secret of my journey is the step-by-step action. So there are top secret of my journey. First one is I'm learning every day. Every single day I'm learning. Second is the DSP, the daily success practice. I'm continuously joining and I'm learning. And my success ready journey helped me a lot to become a communication skill champion. And I'm attending all the live sessions. And my fourth secret is I'm taking the step by step action. As you can see in the screen, I'm following my mentor and I'm just modeling my mentor. Whatever he is giving that direction, I'm just taking that action to achieve and to grow in my life. Not only communication area, I wanted to grow in all areas of my life. So I'm going to share how communication, affected me to grow in my life. So I'm going to share about my past life. So why communication skill we need to develop? Communication is the first area of our life and we need to build the strong foundation in communication. Yeah, because this is the dada, right? So, before joining CI, I was literally hesitating to communicate get with people freely and fearlessly. There were so many baggages and so many inferior complex I was carrying in my past. But I have taken that decision to become a good communicator. So that's why I have joined the CI community. Yeah, as you can see, I have gone through many rejection in my past, and because of this communication problem, I was faced a lot of rejection in all areas of my life, not only in communication, in health, in relationship, in money, and in career also. That's why I have taken that strong decision to be a diamond member. Not only diamond member, right now I am a diamond elite member of CI family. And now I'm feeling so proud to share all my stories. So here is my rejection stories. Like from my childhood, I was a jolly person and happy, always smiling child. But just I was focusing how I will complete my schooling and college so that I can be a good, professional. I just wanted to see myself as a good, professional. Like I just wanted to live a good lifestyle. That's why I was just focusing on my study. After completion my graduation, I was just thinking what I will do. So you can see my graduation picture that is here. Yeah, like me, I think a lot of people are thinking just after graduation what to do. I was thinking what I will do next because only I was having that graduation certificate, nothing else. So I was just focusing how I will learn more so that I can get a good job. This was the thinking after completing my graduation, it was running in my mind. And I was just doing that projects like I have completed 1 year of computer courses, that is PGDCA. And during that program, actually, I got a chance to work with some of my relatives. He was working with the Reliance Infocom. So, as a project, I was doing with some work, and he was talking that yes, if you work here, then you will get a chance to do a good job. But during that period, I was depending on my family for the money, how I will grow, because after graduation I was thinking to go for the post graduation, but because of money issue, and as you know, in Odisha or in some other places also, they are not thinking that to our girls should go outside, so they break me to go outside and study. So that was the first rejection I felt. And after getting that job offer also, I am not able to do that because I have to go outside from my hometown. So my family member said no, you cannot go outside. So again, that rejection started, and one by one, back to back, I faced that rejection, and I'm not able to communicate. Why? Because of lack of communication, I can say. I'm not able to convince that I just wanted to grow, but I am not able to do. This is the communication issue actually I have I had in my past. But what I have done, I got the chance to meet a spiritual master who can understand me, my feelings, how I can be energetic, how I can be focused, and how I can maintain my feelings so that I can grow. I cannot stop. One thing, I was listening my inner voice that no, you cannot stop here. You have to grow. Just make yourself happy and just grow. Don't stop yourself. You are not here to stop yourself. Literally, I was crying that I want to do something, but I'm not able to do, because it's a communication problem I was facing in my past. But here is some success stories also. Life is like a zigzag. Some ups and some downs, some ups and downs. That is called life. So from here, I got that energy. I got that wisdom to grow, because the rejection how you will face, that is not easy. And not only for the profession. In my family, I lost my brother in 2006, and you can understand how that pain someone will face, and that needs a courage to overcome. And after that also, I was not stopping myself. I was just collecting the courage to grow in my life. And with the support of my spiritual mentor, I got the opportunity to meet my spiritual master, Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji. And I got that knowledge how we will grow in our life. We cannot stop, because in life there are so many problems you have to face, and we cannot avoid that because of maybe I can say, I was just complaining whether it is my karma, or because I am not doing anything, but I am facing that challenges. So from where I got that inspiration, I my spiritual mentor, Mr. Tapan Mishra, he was guiding me. Not only me, he was giving the moral support to all my family members. And because of the grace of my guru, I was doing some volunteering to do the seva. I was just thinking that if I will do some good work, then good thing will come to me. It was in my mind. And with my career, I was just thinking a lot of overthinking, lot of chaos was happening. And I was not doing anything in good job. I was just searching how I will do. Then in 2007 sorry in 2010, I got the opportunity to work with HDFC Limited. And that time I just requested to my parents that give me the chance to go outside, and I will do the good work only. I will not do anything wrong. So just have faith on me. So I got that courage because of my guru, my mentor. He was supported me a lot. And with that job, I was practicing my spiritual practices, whatever I have learned from my Gurudev. And every day, whenever I was thinking felt that no, I'm not growing. I was just listening my inner voice. You are not here to do small thing. You are here to do something different. It was my inner voice actually. So, but unfortunately, I lost my mentor in 2021, and again he was keep telling me that if you want to be a good instrument of your guru, then you have to be multi-talented. So he was given that seed in me. So uh, I was just searching who can guide me after Tapan Bhai. Literally, I was searching a mentor who can support me, who can guide me, so that I can take that steps to grow in my life. I don't want to stuck myself because of communication skill. I was facing so many things like I have gone through many interviews, like after before joining SDVC also I have faced a lot of interview. Like I have gone through a private school. They said no, you don't have that qualification to appear this interview also, because only I was having that graduation. So how many of you are here you are having only that certificate and you don't have any experience? So that was the rejection. He said that you have to show some result what you have done in your past, because after graduation also I was not doing any job. I was just simply going with the flow. Whatever is happening, just I was going I was going with that flow. But you know it needs a lot of courage actually. Not having a job, only depending on your parents, on your family members, it was something giving me that no, you are not here to crying. You are here to smile and spread the happiness. So I was just praying, Gurudev, Gurudev, please come to my life in different form and give me that direction. I just want to grow myself. I want to see myself happy, and I want to spread the happiness. And fortunately, I got that chance to become a part of CI community in 2025, this March 17th. This is the game changer for my life. And just simply, I was taken that VIP branch membership. But after 1 week, when I have gone through the CSMJ communication mentorship journey with live session with Ketan sir, I got to know that no, this is not the end of my journey. It's just the starting point. So immediately I taken that decision to become a diamond member, and I became the lifetime. I've taken that lifetime membership to be a diamond member of CI family, and you know from that day, I have not missed any DSP till now. And I have each and every live session I'm attending. And I got that opportunity to attend fourth time CSMJ. Why fourth time CSMJ? As you know, if you are a VIP member, only you can have one CSMJ in your entire life. But if you become a diamond member, you will have that access to join again and again. And it's a journey; it's not the destination. So what why I have taken that decision, because I want to continue this journey. I don't want to stop myself because of this communication skill. So I got to know that if I will hear, then I can grow in communication, my health, my relationship, my career, my money, everything I can grow if I will hear. And next step, what is the next step I have taken? The success ready journey. The success ready journey, what I have learned so many things. Yeah. So next, can you share? In the success ready journey, I have learned about 5 C's. What are those 5 C's? First C is the clarity. I got that clarity in the CSM itself only, that yes, if I want to be a good communicator, then I want to continue this journey. And second C is about the creation. Whatever I was thinking I want to be, I was just creating inside in the DSP. Every day we're working on the internal world, and whatever we're thinking in the internal world, we are living in later in the external world. And that is the best thing I was doing, and I'm still continuing this. Then next C is the communication. Without communication, we cannot do anything, right? So I got to know, if you want to be a good communicator, then just go and communicate and practice every day. Then the contribution. In the contribution part, I learned that how I will continue, how I will share my knowledge, my time, and my money. And the fifth C is about the cash flow. I was earning money, but I was not keeping. I was keeping very small amount, but it's a new habit. Right now, I'm a success ready practitioner, and I'm every day practicing my success ready, how I can be a good communicator, and not only good communicator, how I can be a champion. Okay, so here is some uh, in the this is my steps and what I have learned. I can see here. I just wanted to share the L-shape communication. My past, I was not communicating with myself 100%, and also with the divine, I was just complaining. But now, after joining the success ready journey, I was, I'm giving the 10 out of 10 with myself. I'm communicating with my universe 100 to 100%. I'm giving the 10 out of 10, and also I am building the good relationship with the people right now. And what I have learned how to become a good communicator, there are four ways. Star was every time he is talking about one-to-one communication, then public communication, written communication, and video communication. So now I'm going to share how I am doing right now with this community. You can see I have completed almost 70 plus one-to-one communication with within the CI. Also, I'm communicating with outside the CI. And next, you can see not only the community, I am also writing post in LinkedIn. I'm making videos, and I'm making the written communication every week, and meeting the new people. There is no fear at all. I'm increasing my confidence to be a good communicator. And I have done the public speaking also. I have got the opportunity to be a public speaker. CI is a best stage for me right now, and I'm doing right now. I'm also doing the public communication with full confidence, full energy. Where I'm getting this from this community. I love this community. I love the entire team. who- because all are supportive, all are learning from each other, supporting each other, and all are thinking to grow together. This is the best part of this community. And I'm doing the public speaking every week. I'm trying. Yeah, next. So these are some other stages also I'm taking. I'm every week I'm taking the sadhana class, where a lot of people are joining every single week, and I'm also be a part of this. And people are just love to join with me. This is the best part. Yeah, I have gone through the orphan center. I got that energy and the courage from my mentor. If you are feeling fear, don't stop yourself, just do with the fear. This was the very powerful statement, and I'm doing everything, though there is a little bit fear, but I'm doing with full confidence. Yeah, this is my success ready journey secret of that I already have shared. So I want to just now I can feel that yes, I'm a success ready practitioner, and every day I'm practicing, and whatever I'm thinking here, I'm just living in external world. So, how I am doing? I am actively communicating on the social platform. Actually, I was thinking how I will grow in social platforms. So right now, I have got that knowledge from my mentor, and step by step, I am doing. I was nothing, I was zero at LinkedIn, but now from the zero, I was just crossed my growth zone. I'm crossed the 2264 almost. I have built the strong connection in LinkedIn. Also, I'm sharing my videos in YouTube and Instagram. Earlier, I was not doing anything, just simply going with the flow. But with the mentor, I am doing a lot of things. This is my best success story result. During my skill champion, I did the podcast with my mom and my dad. I didn't know it's a part of my skill journey, but I did it because of if you have the mentor, if you follow the mentor, then you will do wonders. That is the best part. I am feeling grateful that I have a genius mentor who is guiding me. Before doing a project, I have completed my project earlier. It's a sign of a success ready practitioner. As you can see, I have crossed the seed zone. Now I'm in the growth zone. I'm just going to be an influencer in LinkedIn. I just wanted to see myself magnetic, credible, and really I just wanted to visible. That's why, have got a chance to do a podcast from LinkedIn only. And the person who I have never met, but she has messaged me to connect with me to, be with me. So I just requested to, can I do a podcast? Then she said, oh yes, why not? So it's a big opportunity for me to do the podcast with an unknown person completely. You know, if you want to be visible, credible, and magnetic, then this opportunity also you will get. So this is not the end; it's a journey. Yeah, I'm so grateful to my mentor for this opportunity. And right now, I'm just doing videos. I'm not thinking that what people will think. Whatever we will do, people will always say, "Don't think what people will think about me, about you. Just do whatever your mentor is telling to you to do." Yeah. Earlier, just I was thinking that only singing and doing the teaching of happiness program is the only way. But now it's not the only way. I can write whatever I am thinking. I can share with a lot of people, and I can make videos so that it will be there for long time. This is my YouTube channel, and whatever the challenges I was faced during that skill champion journey, if you are leveling up your journey, then you have to gun through your divine test is there. Divine is taking the test, and I was just thinking that oh, how I will overcome. But immediately I surrendered to my mentor, I surrendered to my divine, that I just wanted to grow. How I will grow, I don't know. I just want to grow. Just show me that path. I surrendered to my divine, and I passed that test, and I'm so happy that divine. If divine is testing you, that means he is looking at you, and don't think that you will stop here. No, you will grow. And but I have got the lesson. If you want to be a skill champion, any skill, just love your skill, love yourself, and have the trust yourself, trust the mentor, trust the universe, and trust the process. Definitely, you'll be a champion. You will not a ordinary. If you want to be ordinary, take the strong decision right now, and you will do wonders. And if you have a mentor like Kirtan sir, for me, he is a genius mentor. He is an extraordinary person, and he just showing the direction, and just go and take without any judgment, without any second thought. Just go and take the action. You will do wonder in your life. I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.